Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I got a special video for y'all. Oh, yeah. Woo, woo. This is the new soundtrack for the YouTube series. Well, not YouTube series, but for all my YouTube videos anyway. Anyway guys, I want to show you guys how to create a really cool particle system for those guys who want to make mobile games, right? So I got a game here which is in development basically. So far I have been testing the controls. As you can see, he moves according to my finger position in this case, but he moves rather slow. Yeah, the reason for that is because I'm testing a new movement system where is he only shoots when he moves up. So as you can see, if I move up, he shoots, right? So that is eliminating having to have buttons on the game screen, on the mobile screen, where you have to click, and then it shoots. No. I want to integrate a shooting system that sort of looks like this. So adds in a little bit of a challenging because as soon as an enemy gets behind the player cannot shoot him, so that makes it a little bit more interesting. So yeah, so I'm going to teach you guys how to create a particle system, as y'all can see. So without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back guys. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the point. So what I did was I created two assets within Photoshop. These are the particle sprite, how my particle actually looks like, and the other one, this one right here, is the particle trade, right? So all you have to do then is just find that and then just export it as a PNG and find it where you saved it and boop, drop it within Unity, as you all can see. And all you have to do is create a new material. I'm just going to show you guys how to do that, and I'm just going to say tutorial particle. Now keep in mind I already imported my particles and I've already created a material for them, so I'm just showing you guys how I did it so you guys can have the same knowledge. So then after that, make sure you have your material selected, and you just hit down to particles, and guess what, just click that little additive button there. Don't ask me what that means or anything like that, but it's just what it is, right? So once you have that, you will see that material turns into a square, right? It looks really boring, right? We want to make that look good. So what you do is you take your imported asset, which you want to be your how can I say, your particle image, right? So you click your material and then you just find that thingy key and then you just click it and hold, right? And then just drag it in this little texture boxy thingy. I'm really bad at describing things. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. Let's get going. So once you've done that, you will see still this little boxy thing. I don't know why it does that, but for me, I don't know. Is it working? Is it not working? Is it working? Is it not working? Just go back and just make it additive. There you go. It switches up. I don't know. Maybe it's some little weird error in the new Unity 2.18.1. But anyway, let's stop wasting time. Let's create the trail. It's literally the same process, so I'm not gonna do it. And then all you have to do is just that little box. You just replace it with your trails asset. So getting to the point, let's create a new particle system. Effects, particle system, and you will see, oh cool, we have a particle system, yay. Well, but it's rather very stuck and boring. So first things first, we need to decrease our start speed. I can't remember how far I should put this one, but I'm gonna leave it at 84. And I'm gonna drop down my max particles to about 100. I mean, who needs 1,000, by the way, right? And I'm just gonna create a new burst type of thing. I don't know exactly what that is responsible for, but it does give me that good looking particle systems. Anyway, here we're gonna go down to the shape and we're gonna switch it up to a circle. And once we've done that, you will see it gives us this weird thing. I wanted a circle. So what's up, Unity? To get around that, you will notice that every particle system you put, it's essentially rotated to -090 degrees. So we don't want that, so just put in 0. And there you go, you have your little thingy. And next we want to go down to simulation speed and we want to drop that Oh wait, actually we want to increase that, so I'm gonna probably just put it at like 4 or so, and I'm gonna switch off looping, and I'm just gonna click on this restart, and you will see just why I wanted looping. And then the next thing that we want to do is I just want to drop that radius a little bit down, and that little bit of a thickness a little bit down, and yeah, and then you just restart, and you'll see, oh, we got a nice particle system going on. So next we move on to trails. Right now, this will give you a really weird pinky thing, right? For some reason, wait, can I replay that again? For some reason I'm not seeing them within my game, although I am seeing them there. I don't know why. I really don't know why. Let me just do this housekeeping things. Restart that again. Okay, never mind. Anyway, we got those trails. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to render, and we're gonna drop in that as trail that we created, and we're gonna drop it into the trail particle system, and we're gonna change our material to the material we did for our well, particle system, and you will see we have this cool looking animation. Yeah, and then from there on, all we have to do is just drop down that start size to about let's oh damn, I don't know what happened. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, so we're just gonna decrease that to about 0.2, and we're gonna press restart again. Oh, voila, guys, we've got a super animation going on. And then the other thing is, well, you can customize it now, so you can go either to color, which is the start color. Well, what I like to do is just say random between two colors, right? So first color will be yellow, right? So then you will see if I restart that, oh, we have one color that's yellow. Let me do the other color, which will be darker than that. So obviously it will be orange, and when I restart that, poof, wow, just look at that. Look at that glory right there. And then just for interest's sake, you can edit your trails color over time. Yeah, but yeah, just edit it. Just edit it. I'm gonna switch that to gradient for the reason that I actually wanted to sort of fade out at the end. So yeah, let's do that. There we go. So basically, guys, that's it. That's how you create a particle system. I was going to show you guys how to integrate it within code, so whenever you shoot something, bloop, bloop, particle system will shoot. But hey, I suggest you guys already know how to do that. If you know how to spawn bullets, it's easy peasy. So that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is your boy, Mr. Young Lu, and this tutorial has come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not a really good guy at explaining things, but I just keep it fun and interesting. So there we go. We have our little particle system, and once you integrated it into your game, this is how it looks like once you've done some adjustments to make it look like mine. And man, happy gaming. Peace out, guys. So yeah, hit that subscribe button if you liked. If it was useful, just hit that like button. If you want to come back, subscribe. Come on, what's that? It's just a button, right? Yeah, so peace out, guys. Enjoy your Saturday. It's Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. You know what? Just stop. I'm out.